Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. One of my pookies was asking me, girl, how do you customize your hair for your low hairline? How do you customize your frontals? And I said, baby, I got you. So I went ahead and showed you guys a detailed look on how I customize my wig. So if you guys want to see how I did that and how I achieved this beautiful style on this brown hair that was sent to me by Alipearl Hair, go ahead and keep watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, y'all. So I braided my hair and washed it. When did I wash my hair? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. The braids look like weeks old, but that's because I don't know how to braid that good. So this is the best I could do, and I don't like braiding tight near my edges and stuff. Girl, I'm trying to preserve the edges I do got. You guys can see my hairline goes back further in the middle, and then on the sides it comes down. So that's what you call a low hairline. Someone asked, how do I do my wigs with a low hairline? Well, I'm gonna show you. All right, y'all, so before I start plucking, I like to actually place the wig on my head and kind of like scale it to my hairline. So if you look through the lace, you can see, you still see my hair. What you want to do is pull the frontal to where it's covering your hair. So you want to see, okay, how far do I need to get to cover my edges and cover the lowest part of my hairline? And you want to bring that wig down. So once you have it to a place where all of your hair is covered, I like to get a rat tail comb and start to pull out some of that hair that's in the front, because if we were to pull our wig down all the way down here, we would not have no forehead, and that is just not what we're trying to serve. So what I like to do is just part it, and I might take a big scoop of hair out as a rough draft because it is a little bit difficult to see. But I push it back, I make sure, you know, everything is still covered, and I'm just parting out a little bit of hair. This is about how much we have pulled out for our hairline, and I'm here just trying to make sure that it makes sense. Another thing I like to do is I like to put my finger right where that parting starts. I like to put my finger there and pull it. So about right there is good, and that's pretty much all I would need to take out. So I'm going to braid this down, and this will be removed from the frontal.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around, find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes, I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing though, Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
You know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your hands, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a... You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just hit the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Enjoy the show. So we in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we in Houston. We're definitely going down.
Are you there? I can't.
Sprayed some Sebastian Shapers Plus spray. This is a very like soft hold type of hairspray, and I love to use it in my curls. The curls came out super bomb. Like, what? They came out super cute. I put some BioSilk, not BioSilk, it's actually Cheese Silk Infusion. But my dumb behind, I had my hot comb on one day and I had the bottle of Chi like next to it, and it basically burned a hole in the bottle. So I had an empty bottle of BioSilk, so I just put the Chi Silk Infusion in the BioSilk bottle. But anyways, this is the curls, and they really look really pretty. I always brush my curls out, so I'm about to. But I just said, you know what, let me just take a little moment to admire the curls because they're gorgeous. So now that I've admired them, I'm going to brush them out. All right, you guys, here is the completed look. Here is what we came up with. Guys, this hair came out so beautiful. The color itself is gorgeous. It's like a chocolate brown. And I was excited to see what this color was going to give on me, just because it's a very subtle brown. It's not so like in your face, but it's definitely beautiful. Like, I love the color. I love the way the hair turned out. It's very full hair. This hair, I believe, is 200% density, and it is very thick. So I love, love, love it, guys. The lace did give me a good melt, but at the same time, it was a little bit on the thicker side, just a little bit. So that is something to consider. But everything aside, I do think that this wig was gorgeous. I did bleach and pluck the unit. So here's a little close-up of the baby hair and the lace. So I think that melt is pretty damn good. Guys, this hair is beautiful. I can't. It's definitely giving me fall vibes. The chocolate brown is just definitely giving me fall vibes. It's gorgeous. It's soft. You can run your fingers through it. It's just that girl. So if you're looking for a brown wig, I think this is the perfect wig for you. You guys know I always stand by Alipearl Hair's quality. They're one of my top favorite companies to work with. So I am not surprised by the quality of this hair. It looks amazing, guys. You do get a full frontal. It's not a lace front wig, it is a full frontal wig, which I love because it gives you way more space to do different styles. I'll probably mess around and do another style with this. I just wanted to do some curls today. But yeah, guys, this hair is bomb. I cut some light layers in it just to help the curls fall better, and I love it. I really don't have any complaints on this hair. So if you guys are looking for the perfect wig for fall to bring in the fall season, go ahead and check out Alipearl's Hair, and all the links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check those out. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.